Hey House Beautiful fans, Garrow Kedigian, New York City interior designer here. We're in my home in Montreal, and today we're gonna see how I go about styling a bedside table. My bedside area in Montreal was a little tricky. It's a little narrow in between these two columns. And you know, it's a little counterintuitive to go with a table that's a little bit skinnier, a little bit taller, and has glass in it. But you know, it works perfectly in this space, only because I have these bed hangings and there's a lot of weight to the bed. I think this adds a little bit of lightness to the space. Of course, by every bedside you need a lamp. I love this piece, it's lovely. I had a custom shade made for it, and I actually elevated it a little bit higher because I wanted to go with the vertical dimension and the proportions here. I like to have a pen and pencil so I can actually write some ideas down. I also think a very healthy conglomerate of books on a bedside table can be a nice way to animate, especially in this bottom shelf. Everyone's in the middle of reading a book every night, so this is the book that I'm in the middle of, and I like to keep that right by my bed. Just a little accent on top of it, which gives a little bit of color, which I love. Beautiful. And then here, I found this lovely candlestick, actually, at the Paris flea markets. And it's the perfect thing to fill the volume underneath the bedside table. Take a look. What do you think? I think we have it. There you go. There's my bedside table. Hope you love it.